award-winning Afrobeat star and actress Tiwa Savage has sparked speculation about her music career after revealing that her upcoming studio album might be her last. She revealed these days after her mega giveaway, where lucky fans were made millionaires overnight. The aim was to promote her recently released track. The renowned singer and mother of one shared the news through her Instagram story, expressing exhaustion and a potential retirement from music. In a post, Tiwa wrote, "This might be my last studio album. I'm tired. I don't try." The cryptic post has left fans and industry colleagues buzzing with mixed reactions. While some expressed sadness at the thought of her stepping away from music, others offered support and gratitude for her contributions to Afrobeat and global music. Tiwa Savage, often referred to as the Queen of Afrobeat, has enjoyed an illustrious career spanning over a decade. Known for her hit songs like Somebody's Son, Eminado, and All Over, she has consistently broken barriers, becoming one of the most celebrated female artists in Africa. Although Tiwa didn't provide further details about her decision, but as we speak, fans are now eagerly awaiting updates on what could be her final album, with many hoping it will be a fitting farewell to her remarkable musical journey. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more entertainment news stories.